Did you know that in the US alone, nearly 1 in 2 men and 1 in 3 women will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime? It's a staggering statistic, but what if I told you that some of the foods we eat every day could help fight back against this disease? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how certain foods can actually help combat cancer and boost your overall health. We're going to explore 7 amazing foods that have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. So, grab a snack, maybe not popcorn just yet, and let's get into it. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and its prevalence is growing at an alarming rate. While there are many factors that contribute to this, one of the biggest is diet. What we eat can significantly impact our health and our risk of developing diseases, including cancer. Studies show that up to 30 to 40% of cancer cases can be prevented through lifestyle changes, including diet. So, it's crucial that we pay attention to what we put on our plates. Alright, let's jump into our list of 7 foods that can help kill cancer and beat disease. First up, we have broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to reduce the size and number of cancer cells. Next is berries like blueberries and strawberries. These little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation and cancer risk. Moving on, we can't forget about garlic. Not only does it add flavor to our meals, but it also contains allicin, which has impressive anti-cancer properties. Then, we have turmeric, the golden spice that contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory effects and potential to inhibit cancer cell growth. Now, let's talk about green tea. Rich in catechins, green tea has been linked to lower risks of various cancers. And we can't leave out nuts, especially walnuts and almonds. They're high in healthy fats and antioxidants that can help reduce cancer risk. Finally, our 7th food is fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and may lower cancer risk. So, to recap, we've discussed 7 amazing foods: broccoli, berries, garlic, turmeric, green tea, nuts, and fatty fish. Each of these foods is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and compounds that can help fight cancer and improve your health. Remember, making smart dietary choices can have a huge impact on disease prevention. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite cancer-fighting foods? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out our next video where we explore more tips on living a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.